Hey you guys, what's up? You guys love this look? Well, if you want to stay tuned to keep watching how I achieve this look, stay tuned. And oh my gosh, I'm feeling the blue vibes and I love this look. I really love this look. Hopefully you guys love it, and let's get into the video. Let's start it. Alrighty guys, I know I'm not a professional, but I started this lace waist with the baby hairs and it looks okay. I think I nailed it. Not so perfect like professional, but it looks good. So we're gonna get started with e.l.f. Poreless Primer. So oh my gosh, this line guys, I am so obsessed with it. I don't know why, like I stopped eating this because how obsessed I'm with, but now that I found it I was like, oh girl, my holy grail. Okay, yeah, I know I make some also some weird faces. So we're gonna get started with this one. Then we're gonna use Hard Candy Primer. What this is gonna do is hold the makeup longer and it's give you the dewy. Then we're gonna go with Airspun, and yes, I'm using my beautiful brushes that I made for myself, personal. And for oily skin, this step is very important for some of you. Yeah, I know, I always go overboard. This pencil is from Wet n Wild. I got it years ago, so I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna arch up those eyebrows extremely amazing. Then this is another brush that I made. I fell in love with them. They actually been surviving pretty good. So we're gonna fade the eyebrows. Then we're gonna use concealer. I know I hate it when this blue comes out in the concealer, so I had to clean it. And there I go again with my obsession, salt and lime. Now we're gonna get started with Hard Candy eyeshadow primer. This guys, I haven't used any concealer and it makes wonders, like it makes miracles. So another brush that I made, and we're just gonna pretty much blend it with a beauty blender. And then we're using my Jenni Rivera, of course, palette and the Diva. And on this shade, since I don't have white on the other shades, I'm gonna go with this one, Paloma Negra. And we're just gonna put it under a brow with another brush that I made. And then we're gonna use Alex Stone Revolution. We're gonna use all the shades of blue to make sure that it comes out super bomb. And let's get started to the blending, guys. On this product, I don't know the name of it, but I think it's awesome. Like if you just don't have time enough to wash your brushes, this what it does, it takes off the brushes, you just brush it back and forth and it cleans them pretty good. It's like literally you just have washed them and all the stain, it comes off. So this is one thing that you guys, every makeup artist should have out there, just in case if you're on the quickly to the go. Then we're gonna go with the ColourPop, the whitest shade, to cut my crease. And I'm not gonna go all the way, I'm just gonna go halfway. So that way it can look nice. Then I'm going to use my fingers to just blend it. Now we're going to go with a little bit darker blue on the outer corners, and then to cut creases we're going to go tiny bit of black, guys. Don't overdo it because then it's going to look super pigmented. Then for glitter, we're going to use this primer that it holds the glitter amazing. And then of course we're going to use Beauty Creations, the silver shade. This looks super beautiful, even better in person, guys. Look how much it stands out a lot. And that's the reason why I want to do the half cut crease, so that way it won't like look so weird. But this is another choice that you want to do on the other eye, just like a half of glitter. And we're gonna dust up everything. We're gonna put a little bit of glue, guys, so we can put my jewels. And for lashes, this Crystal Lashes in 4-inch. These lashes are amazing if you guys want to show off your looks and make sure not to have super bold lashes. This will do the job for you. Just look how beautiful it stands out. It gives you all the shades and it shows beautiful. This white pencil, I got it off years ago at the dollar store. Yeah. This was hilarious. Now let me quickly jump on, skip the step foundation. I'll be right back with you guys. Alrighty, so I'm back with you guys with my beat face looking flawless. And now I got these hair jewels from Wishlist. I love this one because it gives it more like a glam instead of having bobby pins. This one's you insert them pretty good, and I have the big ones and the long ones, or like tiny and the big ones, so that way you can show. And look how beautiful they look. They stand out. This is optional, guys. I love everything of glitter and stuff like that, sparkly. So this look, guys, I haven't actually tried one for you guys of a dramatic look with a nude lip, and so far I'm liking it. The reason why is because it gives you that wet look, guys. So yes, I'm so in love. As for my drawing, this is optional, but I love to extremely over exaggerate. So we're gonna use body paint, do the white, the green line, making it seem like if it's the lights going in here, and then we're gonna do different colors of the body paint. Now the secret for this, guys, you can leave it like that and look okay, and it doesn't look that bad. But once you put that white drop, it honestly makes it seem like it's actually glowing in your face. That's the secret to make every makeup stand out, guys. Alright, you guys, so that concludes my final look. Hopefully you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you think about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you, and see you to the next one. And have a happy, merry blue Christmas, guys. Love ya.